Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how long does it take to cook HelloFresh meals. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get into HelloFresh. How long does it actually take to cook these meals? Now, the good thing about HelloFresh is that they actually have a category dedicated to fast meals, and those fast meals can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to make. They might range from as simple as just making a sandwich to something as a bit more complex, like combining a salad. But there is a dedicated section when you do sign up for HelloFresh where they do have quick meals available. Now, if you have more time at your hands and you're willing to cook like fresher meals and more tastier meals, I'd say the longest HelloFresh meal took me maybe around like 30 to 40 minutes to make. And when it takes long, usually the long part of the meal prepping or creating the meal is usually that you're waiting for the oven to finish baking. So trust me guys, it's really not that bad when it comes to long meals being made on HelloFresh. Like for example, you might roast some vegetables in the oven for 20 minutes as like the last part of your recipe. So it's not like you're physically cooking for like 20 minutes, you're just waiting for the oven to finish for about 20 minutes. So during that time, I'll watch a Netflix TV show or I'll keep working on my laptop. But with HelloFresh meals, I'd say anywhere from 15 minutes to 40 minutes. There are some really quick meals and desserts where it's just ready right out of the box, so you can just eat that. With that though, I've had a great experience with HelloFresh, and so if you want to see my experience with HelloFresh, make sure to check this video out next and see what my experience was.